What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just want to do a little quick hit here and show you this little bento box. I actually got this from this village here for volunteering some time on a project, and they gave it to me, and I want to give you some thoughts and some warnings now that I've had it for a little while. And I think what they call these are like a bento lunchbox. This bottom part can be metal or plastic. It seems like some sort of polyester or something like that, but it's got a nice little look there, kind of a farm eggshell look. And then the top here is a bamboo tray here, basically, that fits in, and you can see it has a lip there, so it won't move around. It'll move around just a little bit. Then it has this elastic strap that you put around it, just like this. And when I got it, what I got were 2 pieces of utensils along with it. This fork, which is kind of the same material there, and then a knife. But somewhere along the way, I've lost a knife. As you can see, they stay in there pretty good. Maybe this is the better way to attach them, but it's not super stiff. But the nice thing about this, and my one warning, is you might lose these utensils, but if you have other disposable flatware, you can use these too. And actually, that might be a little easier way because sometimes these can get knocked out and lost. And if you just have disposable utensils, you want to use your metal utensils, you can certainly do that. Now, the other thing I will mention here is that because this is not airtight, it's not sealed, what you don't want to put in here is anything liquid. Now, what I have found is that this is perfect for taking a sandwich, cutting it in 2 triangles and putting it in there. So if you just want to take a sandwich around with you, maybe some vegetables, maybe some snacks, you can put Cheerios in there for the kids or whatever, and you put this on there. This is great. This seems to stay in place very nicely, but you don't want anything that's going to leak. And the other thing is that they're really cute. They are very minimal. It insulates decently, but it's not meant to keep stuff hot or cold per se. But I really like this form factor, and it works very well. And it's under $20. So a lot of people make versions of these, some with a spoon, knife, and fork. Some are a little larger, some that stack, some that have the utensils on the inside underneath the lid. So you can get a lot of different versions that might fit your needs better. And they all seem to be pretty affordable. So if you want to pick up a little bento box like this, keep in mind, you might lose the silverware, but you can buy 100 pack of them for $6 at your local grocer. I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever face.